What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another brand new video. I can't really film outside today. I'll show you guys why. It is raining outside at the moment, as you guys can see. It's raining outside. Hang on, I'll take you guys out the front so you can see it properly. It's absolutely hammering down out here.
Not yet, and it will be.
It's raining like hell.
I'm slowing down.
Look upstairs when I finish this video. So I'm not really going to film outside today. I'm just going to film inside, you know, have some fun inside. I did snap my pedal yesterday on my bike, but I got it fixed. And while after I snapped it, I fell off and yeah, cut my leg. So hopefully I don't get hurt again today. That's why I'm not going outside today. I'm not filming outside. Yes, I'm filming out here right now, but I'm under my carport right now. So yeah, so I fixed the bike, as you guys can see. I'll pick it up. As you guys can see, I fixed the bike. Yesterday I did some crazy hill bombs. Go check out those videos. It'll be in the description below. Alright guys. So yeah, I did go out yesterday. I did film some videos, good videos yesterday. Oh, look at a bus. Yeah, so I did film some good videos yesterday, guys. Go check them out yesterday. They're just like bombing some hills and stuff like that. I'm trying to make sure you smash that like button on those videos. I can't really film outside today because it is too wet and it will break my phone if I film. So I'm just gonna film inside. And yeah, alright guys, I'm gonna try and make it to my laundry. Alright, going for the laundry. Say go! Oh, no, in the laundry. Yay, we're home. Okay guys, I'm in the laundry now. Alright, so I'm gonna open this door. Oh guys. Oh god. What's up guys, I'm still here. So there's my scooter. So yeah, I do have a scooter. I do film on it every now and then. Once I get my new scooter, I'll be starting to film my scoot videos. I'll give you guys a quick sneak peek at it. Here she is. Boom. There she is. She's got a fucked up back wheel. Yeah, I can do like, woo. Oh. Yeah, it's still like a fucking rewind. Oh. No. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put that down before I wreck it even more. I'm outside now, guys. I'm back outside now. I'm gonna go around here to get in my house. Oh, guys, this is my old bike. This is the bike I took the pedal off to fix my bike with. See, guys. Don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, took the pedal off of it to fix the old one, fix my new bike. Don't know if you guys can see that. It's too hard. Yeah. So I do have a new bike, a new pedal on my new bike. So we're still outside. I'm heading upstairs now to go inside.
Laundry?
Huh?
Washing laundry?
Yeah. I'm inside. Say hello to the camera.
You're waiting.
Camera shy little prick. Okay guys, I'm gonna get a drink. Yeah. What do we got? Yeah. Drink water always, people. Always drink water. Okay guys, we're inside right now. I'm gonna wrap the video up here soon. I'm gonna wrap up this video soon. Alright guys, I'm gonna sit you guys out there. You guys see me now? What's up? Alright, so I'm just sitting in my room right now watching TV, having a good time. I got new speakers yesterday. I'll show you those in a second. Yeah, bro. Oh, guys, right there. Oh, yeah. It's so good, bro. Yo, what's up? We got the black, we got the silver, we got the blooper. Alright, guys. I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Make sure you guys like this video and subscribe to my channel. If I get 10,000 subscribers, I will do the 2-night stay in Brisbane. Like I said, I'll do the 2-night stay in the city if I get the 10,000 likes and 1,000 subscribers. Whichever one it was, just make sure you like and subscribe, and you guys will get a 2-night, and you guys will see me do a 2-night stay in Brisbane. Okay, guys, I'm gonna wrap the video up here. Alright, guys, keep watching my channel and make sure you like and subscribe. Peace, guys.